Hi everyone, welcome to Quilt and Color. I'm going to take just 5 minutes to show you how to make a beautiful quilt. So if you're short on time but still want to learn the basics of making a quilt, this video is for you. This simple pattern is easy to sew, and your fabric choices and the way you arrange them gives you lots of variety in different types of quilts. Step 1. Select your fabric. You can use any fabric you like, but most quilters use 100% cotton. Cut your fabric into 5-inch squares. Most quilters use a rotary cutter, a ruler, and a cutting mat, but if you don't have those tools, scissors will work. You can cut as many as you want, depending on the size of the quilt you want to make. Step 2. Arrange your squares. Lay out your squares in a pattern that you like. You can make it as simple or as complex as you want. Step 3. Sew your squares together. Using your sewing machine or needle and thread, stitch your squares together in rows. We recommend using pins to hold the squares together. Don't run over any pins with your sewing machine needle. Press the seams in opposite directions. Pressing with an iron works best. Or you can finger press like I do here. Then stitch the rows together to create your quilt top. Step 4. Add batting and backing. Cut a piece of batting and backing slightly larger than your quilt top. Lay the backing on the bottom, right side down, then the batting, and finally the quilt top, right side up. Smooth out any wrinkles and baste it with safety pins or needle and thread. For your safety, don't run over the pins with your sewing machine needle. Step 5. Quilt it. Using a sewing machine or needle and thread, quilt your layers together. You can do this in any pattern you like. We recommend something simple like straight lines or a grid. We recommend using a walking foot for this step if you have one. Step 6. If you want to do more, you can add applique, beads, or ribbon to embellish the quilt. Step 7. Cover the raw edges of the quilt. Most quilters add a binding, but you can add a facing instead or a ribbon. Pinking the edges add a decorative touch if you don't want to cover the raw edges. You get bonus points if you add a label and a hanging sleeve to your quilt. There you have it, a beautiful quilt, and I explained it in just 5 minutes. This is an overview of the basics of quilting. If I left anything out, if you have any questions, please let me know and I can answer you in the comments or in a separate video. I wonder if I can make a quilt in just 5 minutes. Watch this video to see if I can. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you'll give it a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and easy DIY projects. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all of your support. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.